Good morning, everyone. How are you today? I just wanted to take this time to relay a message from the archangels. I received beautiful flowers and feathers. I received signs and messages from the flowers today. Take this time out to appreciate yourself. See that you be the rest that you need. Can you see me? Archangel Michael. Call on to him if you still need to. You're connecting with spirit guides. And many of you will be learning how to journal and doodle. Take note of what you know. Jot it down. Interpret your dreams. And Ilian would like to read Angel 20. Thank you, Archangel Michael. Thank you, Spirit Guides. Thank you, Source. Angel 20. Your angels are excuse me. That was a lot of energy just went through, so. Your angels are congratulating you on taking steps towards growth and expansion. You have a deeper connection to your soul now. So, I think it's important that we start understanding the collective and where we're at now, how we're going to utilize these talents, these gifts that God is giving us, and how we can promote within. And just by resting, and continuing to do the work that you do, I think you're going to see some fascinating results. There's a lot of live Zoom video going on. People are hopping on there, making their videos. Maybe that's something that you're going to be learning to do, is to actually use the oracle and use the tarot deck and the crystals and the Lemurian chants. And whatever star seed you connect to, just remember that Source is always with you. And your spirit guides are so happy and excited to help you receive this message. So I hope it resonates with you all. And again, congratulations. Definitely that was the spirit of Archangel Michael. So I wanted to get that out to you guys today. And blessings to you all. Namaste. And don't forget to spread that 111. Sending you lots of love and light. Mwah. See you later, guys. Bye.